Ladies and gents, this is something we do not talk about enough. Is this Lewis Hamilton's new Ferrari 499P Modificata? Is this Lewis Hamilton's new Le Mans car? Is Lewis Hamilton going to race at Le Mans? Now, that's one of the benefits of being a Ferrari driver. It's a direct link into racing for Ferrari at Le Mans. I mean, imagine a Charles and Lewis team. The excitement is unreal. I think the absolute domination would be woo, too good to be true. So the car has a 3.0-liter twin turbocharged V6 and a powerful electric motor. This car, 44 number on either side. I know it's not Lewis who's in the car. We know that. We know that. That would be mad. But holy shit, I think it's confirmed. Why would Ferrari do this if it wasn't confirmed? Big 44 on your car, on a Le Mans car, that is sending shockwaves to the community. That's sending a signal to the community. We know he's going to Ferrari, but Le Mans, he's an 8-time world champion, and he's going to Le Mans. He's going to Ferrari for one, but he might be going to Le Mans. The car is finished in black and gold, by the way, featuring the British driver racing number 44. The 499P Modificata is an unrestricted version of the 24 Hours of Le Mans winner. Hamilton is no stranger to owning multi-million-dollar exotics. I don't think this is a personal car. I don't think it's a personal car. I think this is a car only for racing. And I think Lewis is going to race in Le Mans. And I suggested that a long time ago. When it was first announced that Lewis would be racing for Ferrari, I instantly thought he has to race for Le Mans. He has to race for Le Mans. Ferrari actually has a winning car at Le Mans right now. It would not make any sense if they didn't allow Hamilton to race at Le Mans and in Formula One. Oh my goodness, the stars are aligning. So this is one of the first privately owned Ferrari 499P Modificata built by the Italian carmaker, and it could be destined for the garage of the latest F1 signing, Lewis Hamilton. I don't think so. I don't think this is just a personal car. I don't think this is just a personal car. It could be. It could be part of the deal, but I need Lewis to race in Le Mans. Come on now. Come on now. I would personally go to Le Mans if Lewis is racing there. I'll do the camping. I'll do the full thing. Ferrari unveiled the 499 Modificato in October last year to celebrate its historic victory at the 24 Hours of Le Mans. The car is also identical to the endurance racer from Le Mans, but it has even more power given it doesn't need to comply with the balance. But it has even more power given that it doesn't need to comply with the balance of performance requirements. The price starts at an eye-watering 5.1 million euros, and it includes 2 years of on-track support at Ferrari organized event through its new sport Prototipo client program. I'm pretty sure I butchered that name. I apologize. The exterior of the 499P Modificata is finished in Gosling black, combined with plenty of gold elements, including across the cabin, the side sills, the rear wing. It also has number 44 graphics on the hood and both sides. 44 is Lewis Hamilton's racing number, leading some to suggest he may be the owner of this particular example. Either that Ferrari customers bought that celebrate his F1 finding with a tribute. That's a good point. It could be another person who bought the car and said, "Put Lewis Hamilton number on it, please. I'm celebrating this victory. I'm celebrating them moving to Ferrari." It could be that. It could be that. Over all the excitement, it could be that. Hamilton has owned several exotics over the year. Yes, we know. Pagani. And that crashed after, it crashed one time in Monaco, I think. And then he sold the car. He made a lot of money from selling the car. And then it crashed again by the new owner. And now I think someone else has bought the car and trying to rebuild it because why not? Lewis said the car had bad handling and he was right. So this is Ferrari posing. Ferrari is posing it. Lewis is confirmed. Lewis Le Mans is confirmed. Grazie, Ferrari. I don't know. I don't care if it's a personal car. Like, also, who wants a personal car like this? It's not a personal car, but it's more like Lewis is already a racing driver, so when is he gonna use this car? On track? He already raced on track like a lot of times. I think Ferrari is sending us a hint. I think Ferrari is sending us a hint. I really think Ferrari is sending us a hint. Black and gold? What's Lewis Hamilton's favorite color to use on his helmet? Yellow. Mm-hmm. 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 I mean, this car looks dangerous. It looks scary. It looks like a beast. It looks, it looks like it wants to do something. Like it's like do something. Like it looks incredible. It looks remarkable in every capacity. So, despite everything that they're saying, that this car could be a personal car for a client. It could be for Lewis, it could be for someone else who's buying the car. But either way, it is sending signals, and the signal says Lewis is racing at Le Mans. That's what, and I've been waiting for a sign. I've been waiting for a glimmer of hope. Just something to tell me that Lewis is racing at Le Mans. He's at the stage of his life now where, yes, he is still focused on F1, but at the same time, why not go race at Le Mans? You're racing with Ferrari. Ferrari. He's probably watched Ferrari, Ford versus Ferrari, and he's like, I want to get a little bit of that. Ferrari, Ferrari, Ferrari. If I can't get Ferrari victory in a Formula One, let's get Ferrari victory in Le Mans, baby. That's history. That is history. Cement. Monument. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Let me know. What do you think? Do you think Lewis will race for Ferrari at Le Mans? He's racing Ferrari in F1, but will he also race at Le Mans? I'm pretty sure he's going to race at Le Mans as well. I think it would be an understatement to think that this guy is not going to race for Le Mans. He's not going to race for Ferrari in Le Mans. It's like, what? It's like ordering pasta without cheese. It's like, you serious? I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Grazie, Ferrari.